Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for your optical fiber industry. So here I own an optical fiber business, and to promote my business I am running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named Pabbly Connect, in which we will connect our trigger and our action. In this process, our trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and our action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add your Facebook leads to Google Sheet for optical fiber business. So here I am the owner of an optical fiber business named as Fibre Wave Solutions, and to promote my business I am running a Facebook ad. So in this case I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create workflow. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as Fibre Wave Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheet. And now I'm going to select my folder as Facebook Lead Ads to Google Sheet. You can select your folder as per your need. Now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create. Now here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of your automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. So now to begin with our automation, let's set up our trigger. Here I'm going to choose my trigger application as Facebook Lead Ads, and my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is generated, instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Now to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I am going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I am going to select add new connection. If your Facebook account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, you can click on select existing connection. Now I am going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I am going to select my Facebook account, and authorization is successful. Now moving forward, here it is asking me to select my page. Here I am going to search for my page, which is Fibre Wave. And after selecting the page, it is asking for lead gen form. So here in my Meta Business Suite, you can see the lead ad form which I have created as per my need. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. Now moving back to Pabbly, here I am going to select my lead gen form as Facebook lead ads form. So here I have selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Now moving forward, here I am going to click on this save and send test request. So after clicking on save and send test request, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, let me take you to Meta for Developers. This is the homepage of Meta for Developers. Here I am going to click on this more, and from here I am going to click on tools. Now in this developer tools, I am going to select lead ads RTO debug tool. So here in lead ads testing tool, I have selected my page and my form. Now to submit a new lead, I am going to click on this preview form. So here I have entered a dummy data, and now I'm going to click on this next and then submit. So you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's move back to our Pabbly. And here you can see we have received a successful response with full name, email, phone number and other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to our action. Here I'm going to choose my action application as Google Sheets and my action event as add new row. Here I've selected my action event as add new row because I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically the details of that lead should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row. Now I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on this sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my account. And here I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And your authorization is successful. Here it is asking me to select spreadsheet. So here I have already created a spreadsheet with name Facebook leads where I have selected a basic field such as name, email and phone number. You can create your own Google Sheet as per your need. Now moving back to Pabbly, here I will select my spreadsheet which is named as Facebook leads. And after selecting my spreadsheet, here I am going to select my sheet as sheet 1. And now moving forward, here it is asking me for name, email, phone number. So basically these are the fields which I have entered in my Google Sheet. So here, instead of entering data manually, I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our Facebook lead ads. So here I am going to map the full name. And for the email, I am going to map the email. And same with the phone number. Now after mapping all the data, I am going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So we have received a successful response. So now let's check our Google Sheet. So here you can see we have received a response where we have received the name as demo lead, email as demo@pabblytunes.com and the phone number. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. So now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation we need to submit a new lead, and for that let me take you back to my lead edge testing tool. So here in lead edge testing tool we need to delete our previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here I am going to click on this delete lead. And after clicking on delete lead, here I am going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Again here I have selected my page and form, and now I am going to click on this preview form. So here I have entered another dummy data, and now I am going to click on this next and then submit. So again it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go to our Google Sheet to check the response. So here you can see we have received another response where we have received name as test lead, email as test@pabblytunes.com and a phone number. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. So now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheet, because I want whenever a new lead is generated, automatically and instantly the details should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can contact us on our website, that is www.pabbly.com. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.